GoPyrus.store. Now, this site claims to sell all kinds of lifestyle gadgets and accessories, things like pool tools, lighting products, extractors, and even some cool tech gear. On the surface, it looks modern and practical. But the big question is it legit or is it just another online scam? Let's break it down together. So first things first, reviews. On their website, GoPyrus proudly shows off glowing 5-star reviews and even claims they have a 4.8 rating on Trustpilot. But when we actually checked Trustpilot, the truth was very different. They've got a really poor rating, just a 2.8 score, based on only 3 reviews. And guess what? All of those reviews are 1 star. Customers are complaining that the site stole their money and even posted fake reviews to look legit. Some users even said the company is misusing Trustpilot's name and ratings on its own website. That's a huge red flag right there. Next, we looked into the domain using WHOIS, and this was interesting. The site was registered only in July 2025. Now, new websites aren't always bad, but think about it. A brand new site, no history, no reputation, and already claiming all these big things? That's usually how scam sites operate. They pop up overnight, make bold promises, and then disappear. Definitely something to be cautious about. Here's another thing we noticed. GoPyrus uses the names of huge brands like Vogue, Shark Tank, and even Target on their site. But there's absolutely no proof that they were ever featured there. It's basically name-dropping to look more trustworthy. And honestly, if a brand really got featured in Vogue or Shark Tank, they'd shout it from the rooftops, right? Here it just feels misleading. Something else that stood out, GoPyrus has 0 presence on social media. In today's world, that's pretty unusual. Most genuine businesses use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, at least one platform, to connect with customers. But this site? Nothing at all. That makes it harder for people to check real reviews, see how the brand interacts, or know if there's an actual community behind it. Again, not a good look. And here's where it gets even sketchier. Almost every product on their site shows these huge discounts, but when you click, most of them are marked out of stock. The prices themselves look fake too, listed super high at first, then cut down by half to look like a bargain. On top of that, they promise a 60-day money-back guarantee and a satisfaction guarantee. Sounds nice, right? But honestly, this feels more like a scam tactic to lure people in than a genuine offer. Lastly, the physical address they list on their refund policy page. When checked, it turned out to be just a random residential area. If you're running a real online business, you should have a proper office or at least a warehouse, not somebody's house. This makes the whole setup look even more suspicious. So, putting it all together, GoPyrus.store has way too many red flags. A brand new domain, fake brand claims, misleading Trustpilot ratings, no social media, shady discounts, and even a suspicious address. And when you add in the poor customer reviews, it's pretty clear. This site is highly unreliable and risky to shop from. My advice? Stay safe, and don't waste your hard-earned money here. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews and scam alerts. See you in the next one.